This might be my new favorite food experience in all Vietnam. This is Bun Cha soup. Yep, you heard that right. It's made with deliciously marinated pork belly that is double grilled first in this homemade cooker, then over charcoal. After cooking, it's then submerged in spicy sour broth with fresh vermicelli noodles. It is fabulous. The vibe is a blend of Melbourne coffee shop and small town American pub, but more genuine. They even do meal prep in the middle of the restaurant. I love it. They've been serving this unique soup in Sapa for over 15 years. I just cannot get enough of this place. I ended up going back 2 days later. If you were wondering what kind of girl I am, this place completes me. Yummy face! Happy people! Awesome food! Yes, I love everything about this place. Love it!